Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am off to go shopping at Bluewater. So I thought it'd be fun to basically like bring you guys along with me. So I'll probably go into like Zara, H&M, Topshop, Primark. Yeah, basically show you what's in stores, try some bits on, let you know if I like buy anything. Really hope you enjoy it. I will try and link everything I like try on down below, but I'll show you my outfit first quickly. So the blazer I'm wearing needs an iron, but it's from Pretty Little Thing. And then underneath I've just got this little top from Zara, or it's actually a bodysuit, but it's my favourite at the moment. This little necklace from Masoma, I think, yeah. And then jeans are my ASOS Farley jeans, love these. And then trainers are Alexander McQueen. And then the bag I'll probably bring is just my little like Teddy Blake one, and one of the strap things has came off, so I need to put that back on before I go. I really hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if you do, and yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm in the Zara changing rooms. I picked up quite a few things, as you can see behind me, but I'm now going to try it all on and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so first up we have this like ribbed kind of cardigan, super soft and like comfortable. It just ties up in the middle. That's kind of what it looks like undone, but it's $25.99. and I'm wearing it in a size small, but I feel like I might pick this up just because it's so comfy. Like you can wear it as loungewear like at home. Okay, so next up we have this black coat. It's absolutely massive. This is a size small and it's literally like humongous on me, so yeah, definitely not picking this up. So on to the next thing. Next up we just have this cute little like knitted ribbed crop top. It does come with a matching skirt as well, but I didn't really like skirts, so I've just tried on the top. But yeah, it's really nice. It's $19.99. I'm wearing it in a size small, but it does come up like quite small, just underneath the arms, like it is quite tight, so I might actually pick this up in a medium just so it's like super comfortable. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I've now just got on this, which is like a mix between a kind of cardigan and a coat in this kind of like houndstooth print. I feel like that's what it's called, could be wrong. But yeah, so it's $79.99, wearing a size small. I like it, but I probably wouldn't wear it that much, so I'm gonna leave it here.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
Okay, so I'm just in Topshop changing rooms now. So I picked up two things. This coat here, and then this kind of like jumper. So I'm going to try these on quickly and show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what the coat looks like on. I actually had this from 2 years ago. Topshop bring it out like every single year but make like slight changes. But I actually prefer this one that I've got on to the one I have. So I'm thinking I might buy this and then like give the other one to charity or something, or sell it, because I do prefer this one. And I actually have something to like return, so I can kind of exchange it. But I'm wearing a size small and I think it's like £69–£79, but I'll link it down below. Okay, and then this is what like the jumper looks like on. So it's kind of almost like a cow print, I'm not even sure, maybe just like a pattern, but this is £39 and I'm wearing a small, but I'm not too sure on it. Like, I feel like it looks a little bit weird on me, but I've seen people on Instagram wear it and they look really good, but I feel like maybe just not for me. Okay, so I'm now in H&M. This is what I picked up. I just picked up 2 things. This jumper here, which has these like cool little buttons, which is £39.99, which I feel like is quite pricey. And then also this like corduroy kind of cream blazer, which is £34.99, and I got it in a size 8. So let me try them on and show you what it looks like. I also got the massive changing room. Yay! Okay, so this is what the blazer looks like on. So it's kind of like corduroy, which I feel like is really cool, and then it has these little tortoiseshell buttons. But yeah, I really like this. I do have about like 10 cream and white blazers at home, so I'm not sure if I need it, but I do think it's a really nice blazer. I'm wearing a size 8, and I feel like it fits quite well. It does come up slightly oversized, I would say, but yeah, let me try on this jumper now and show you what it looks like. Okay, and then this is the jumper on, which I actually really like. I feel like it's kind of cool with the whole like buttons on the sleeves. Yeah, I'm not sure, it is quite expensive, but it does feel like really good quality. It does kind of come down longer like that, but yeah, it's not itchy at all. You guys know I hate anything itchy. So I'm in the Primark changing rooms now, and I was too scared to talk whilst I was in there because it was just me and one other woman and it was like completely quiet. But I picked up this blazer here, which I got in a size 12 and it's £20. And then also this trench coat, which I got in a size 8 and it's £25. So this is what the blazer looks like on. I really like it. I would definitely recommend sizing up. This is the 12 and I still feel like it fits like quite nicely. But yeah, I do think it's a really nice blazer. I have way too many at home, so I didn't end up picking it up, but I wanted to show you guys it. And then this is the trench coat on, which again I think is a really good trench coat. The only thing I don't understand is it's got like a flappy thing, but just on one side. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or what the purpose of it is. Let me know. But I was just slightly confused. But again, I do think this is a really nice trench coat. Okay, so I'm back from the shops now. I'm a little bit low down. Maybe if I sit on one of these pillows, I'll be higher up. Is that better? Yeah. Okay, like I said, I'm back from the shops now. So I thought I'd just show you quickly what I ended up getting. So from Zara, I just got this little like ribbed kind of crop top. You would have seen me try it on in the changing rooms. I did end up getting the medium just because I wanted it to be like super comfy, and the small just felt like really tight, like I couldn't move properly, and the medium still looks quite like small and stretchy, as you can see. So yeah, picked up this. And then Topshop, I ended up just picking up the like cream coat. So this one here, I'm not sure if I told you in the changing rooms, but I basically had some bits that I needed to like return to there, but I didn't have the receipt, so I could only do like an exchange. So I ended up getting this for like 20 quid, 25 pounds I think. So yeah, really good price for that. And then the last thing I got, you wouldn't have seen me go and like get, but I got the new iPhone. I mean, I know my phone's like, this is the X Max, I don't know, XS Max I think it is. So it's only a year old, but I literally use like my phone to take all my pictures on my like Instagram, and like all my work I pretty much do on my phone. So for me it's like worth investing in them every year if the camera's like going to be better. So yeah, I bought the new iPhone. I'm still like scared to open it because obviously once you open it you can't return it. But I went for the 256GB one just because I have loads of like pictures and stuff on there, and I've done the whole like 32GB ones before and you just run out of space and it's really annoying. So yeah, went for like the medium size. I think there's 128, then there's like 256, and then there's like a 500 one, but I feel like this one's the perfect one. So yeah, shall I open it with you? I might as well. I'm so scared because now I can't return it if I don't like it. Hopefully I will like it. Okay, so I went for the gold, and this is what it looks like. Just like that, like any other phone. Yeah, I feel like it's just exciting for me. You guys probably do not care. But yeah, should we peel off this bit? Does it have one on the back? No. Right, I need to get a case for this because I'm really scared I'm gonna smash it. But I will try it out and I will see what it's like, and hopefully it is good. Anyway, that is the end of my little like come shop with me vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you did, and I can definitely do these more because I go shopping all of the time. But yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!